I want to tell you about a spectacular dining experience. It's Portugal Waterfront Dining, award-winning service and cuisine with a view of the dynamic LA harbor from every seat. Enjoy daily sunset specials as well as the South Bay's best champagne brunch. The outdoor harborside patio is a perfect setting for happy hour every weekday from 3 to 8. Portugal Waterfront Dining. For reservations and directions, visit portugaldining.com or call 310-833-3553.
Yeah, black feet swinging from a sycamore tree. Lonely little bird saying, look at me. All the pretty things keep me fed. Doesn't really matter when you're already dead. Bye bye blackbird. Bye bye blackbird. Just breathe, ready and rolling. Living in a moment, going one step further now. Ready and rolling, living in a moment, one step further now, yeah. Going one step further now, yeah. Going one step further now, yeah, 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 yeah. Woo-hoo. Sickness, cold winds blow, blood runs deep, led astray by you, leave you hungry, left you lonely, led astray, run amok, big white cape, big old truck, don't leave it to the enemy to tell my story. Don't leave it to the enemy. Oh, bye bye blackbird. Bye bye blackbird. Yeah. Ready and rolling, living in a moment, going one step further now. Yeah. Ready and rolling, it's a moment, one step further now. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Don't you leave it. Don't you leave it. Don't you leave it to the enemy. Hey, don't leave it to the enemy to tell my story. Don't leave it to the enemy. I can't to tell my story. No way. I'll leave it to the enemy to tell my story. No way. I'll leave it to the enemy. Don't leave it to the enemy. Bye bye blackbird, yeah.